Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little show and tell / close-up on this Wallace and Gromit figure. And that figure is Lady Tottington. This figure was released when the movie The Curse of the Were-Rabbit came out. As you can see, Lady Tottington has a purple dress with flowers and a cute collared neckline, and there looks to be a necklace as well. She also has on a pair of long white gloves and a white flower in her hair as an accent. On the bottom of each of these pieces, there's a little indent, and that basically is going to help secure it onto the platform. And she's going to be the only piece I remove today, but they all have that on the bottom. And as you can see, her arms are bendable, and you can form her into whatever shape you want her to be emoting, I guess. Here is the little platform that I mentioned earlier, and there is a pot growing cauliflower as well as a watering can. And these are attached by the same indents that I showed Lady Tottington. On the bottom here it says that it was dated in 2005, which is when it was produced, and it was produced by McFarlane Toys. That's all for this show and tell. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.